Welcome dear children. Last class I have finished second term portions. Today we will start with third term portions. The first chapter is For the Love of Nature. For the Love of Nature. So children, all take page number 100 in your textbook. See, this lesson is about Shekhar Dattatreya. He is an award-winning wildlife filmmaker, conservationist and co-founder of Conservation India. So, it is an interview. Understood? This chapter is an interview. So, he talks about his work, India's natural wealth, the need and how to preserve it. So, we will read out and find it. First of all, get set is given there. There is difference between these pictures. Can you understand anything? Two pictures are given there. First picture is afforestation, that is planting trees. And the second one is deforestation, cutting down plants and trees. Hope you have studied that. Understood? Cutting down or removal of forest from land. That is called deforestation. Soil erosion happens during this time. മണ്ണൊലിപ്പൊക്കെ സംഭവിക്കുന്നു. Burn agriculture. Then soil becomes fertile. Affect weather. Many reasons are there for deforestation. Now we will go to the chapter. Shekhar Dattatreya is an important personality. Understood? Section 1. Could you tell us how you became interested in wildlife photography, filmmaking and conservation? See, this is an interview. That's why questions are coming. I was very attracted to nature even as a child. Our small garden was home to a variety of creatures such as palm squirrels and rose-ringed parakeets, and it was fun to watch them. When I was 10, my sister introduced me to books by Gerald Durrell, which changed my life forever. These books by other naturalists such as Conrad Lorenz, George Schaller and Jane Goodall taught me how to observe and study the creatures around me unobtrusively. That means not too obvious. When I was 13, I became fascinated by snakes and other reptiles during a visit to the snake park in Chennai. I then began spending most of my weekends there and was lucky to be accepted as a volunteer. Around the same time, a friend was kind enough to lend me his expensive camera and I began photographing nature and around the city. Some years later, I got a chance to assist a documentary filmmaker from the USA in making a film on snake bite. Documentary means radio or television program that gives detailed information about a particular object. This sparked my interest in filmmaking and led to a full-time career as a wildlife filmmaker. So these books by naturalists such as Conrad Lorenz, George Schaller and Jane Goodall taught me how to observe and study the creatures. So he was very interested, and when he was 10, his sister introduced all these books. And when he was 13, he became fascinated by snakes and other reptiles. Then he visited a snake park in Chennai. After some time, he became a volunteer at the snake park. Then one of his friends gave him an expensive camera. From that day onwards, he began photographing the nature. He was very interested in photographing. For over a decade, I made films on nature for international television channels. Decade means period of 10 years. I thoroughly enjoyed traveling around the country, watching and filming all kinds of wildlife from tigers to turtles. So he was very interested in traveling. He watched all kinds of animals from tigers to turtles. However, the conservation of wildlife has always been close to my heart. So I decided to use my skills as a filmmaker to also make films. So he was very interested in making films. Understood? On pressing conservation issues. For many years now, I have been working closely with other conservationists to produce short, well-researched films that graphically portray a conservation issue and offer practical solutions to resolve the problem. These films are then shown to government officials as well as to the members of the public to create awareness and bring about a positive change. It gives me a great satisfaction to contribute to conservation in this manner. So he is very interested in photography. So he is taking photos of many animals, that is from tiger to turtles. He is also an important filmmaker. Understood? So these films are then shown to the government officials as well as to the members of the public for his satisfaction. അയാളുടെ തൃപ്തിക്ക് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് അയാൾ ഫോട്ടോസ് എല്ലാം എടുത്തിട്ട് ഗവൺമെൻറ് ഒഫീഷ്യൽസിനും മെമ്പേഴ്സിനെല്ലാം കാണിക്കുകയാണ്. വളരെ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട ഒരു ജോലിയാണ് ഫോട്ടോഗ്രാഫി. അപ്പോൾ ചെറിയ മൃഗങ്ങൾ മുതൽ ചെറിയ ആനിമൽസ് മുതൽ വലിയ ആനിമൽസ് വരെ അയാൾ ഫോട്ടോസ് എടുത്തിട്ട് ഷൂട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. See, 2 king cobra hatchings emerging from the egg at the Madras Snake Park. A picture is given there. That is a photography taken by Shekhar Dattatri. See, from this you can answer this. Number these events in the correct order is given there. See, visited the snake park, began making films on conservation, began making films on wildlife, became a volunteer at the snake park, assisted an American filmmaker, began photographing nature in Chennai, began reading about animals and wildlife, watched animals in the garden. So you have to put the numbers in the correct order. That you have to do alone. Read this section and do alone. I will send you the answers in groups. First one I will tell you, watched animals in the garden, number 1. Understood? Next, section 2, take the next page. Wildlife photography and filmmaking seem like a lot of fun. Would you encourage youngsters to take them up as a profession? So that person is asking him whether he is interested to encourage youngsters to take them as a profession. ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ചോദിക്കുകയാണ്, ചെറുപ്പക്കാരെ ഈ ജോലിയിലേക്ക് കൊണ്ടുവരാൻ താല്പര്യമുണ്ടോ? ഒരു ജോലിയായിട്ട് കാണാൻ ചെറുപ്പക്കാരെ ഇതിലേക്ക് കൊണ്ടുവരാൻ താല്പര്യമുണ്ടോ? For those with an interest in nature and a creative eye, wildlife photography can be a wonderful hobby. However, it's extremely difficult to turn it into a full-time career or profession, as the competition is very stiff, means difficult, and the opportunities to make a living out of it are very few. As for wildlife filmmaking, it is a very specialized and expensive occupation and not for everyone. A genuine passion for the wild, mental and physical stamina. Stamina means strength to do something. Patience and perseverance are essential. Sitting alone quietly in remote locations and putting up with physical discomfort for hours, days or even weeks to get a particular shot are all part of the job. The monetary rewards are very uncertain and there is no job security or regular salary. You should be prepared to take up this profession for the love of it rather than for anything else. So this is an interview, no? അപ്പോൾ അയാൾ ചോദിക്കുകയാണ് ഇതൊരു ജോലിയായിട്ട് കാണാൻ പറ്റുമോ എന്ന്. അപ്പോൾ പറയുന്നത് ഫോട്ടോഗ്രാഫി ക്യാൻ ബി എ വണ്ടർഫുൾ ഹോബി ആയിട്ട് കാണാം, ബിക്കോസ് യു വോണ്ട് ഗെറ്റ് എ റെഗുലർ സാലറി ഒന്നുമില്ല. ദെൻ ദിസ് ഈസ് വെരി എക്സ്പെൻസീവ്, കുറച്ച് വില പിടിപ്പുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങളാണ്. ദോസ് ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റഡ് ക്യാൻ ടേക്ക് ദിസ് പ്രൊഫഷൻ. അണ്ടർസ്റ്റുഡ്? ദിസ് ഇസ് നോട്ട് എ പ്രൊഫഷൻ, പക്ഷേ ഒരു ജോലി പോലെ കൊണ്ടുപോകാൻ പറ്റുമെന്ന്. അണ്ടർസ്റ്റുഡ്? ദിസ് ഇസ് എക്സ്പെൻസീവ് and you won't get salary, regular salary. This is not a part of the job. Interest ഉള്ള ആൾക്കാർക്ക് ഇതിലേക്ക് നീങ്ങാം. Which do you find more satisfying? Wildlife photography, film making or conservation activities? Next question. All these activities are rewarding in their own way and closely intertwined. Intertwined means twisted together with the work I do. Photography and filmmaking allow me to effectively communicate the need for conservation to others, and hence I regard them as invaluable tools for conservation. അപ്പോൾ അയാൾ പറഞ്ഞ ഫോട്ടോഗ്രാഫിയും ഫിലിം മേക്കിങ്ങും വളരെ നല്ലൊരു കാര്യമാണ്. അതിന് രണ്ടിനെയും കമ്മ്യൂണിക്കേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ എനിക്ക് വളരെ ഇഷ്ടമാണ്. നേച്ചറിൻ്റെ ബ്യൂട്ടി എല്ലാം എടുക്കാനും എല്ലാ സംഗതികളും അറിയാനും അത് ഹെൽപ്പ് ചെയ്യുന്നു. You have worked on a variety of conservation causes. Olive Ridley turtles, the Silent Valley rainforest, snakes, crocodiles, to name a few. Is there anyone that is close to your heart? ഇതിൽ ഏതെങ്കിലും നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വളരെ അടുപ്പായിട്ട് തോന്നുന്നുണ്ടോയെന്ന്. The conservation cause that is closest to my heart is whichever one I am currently focused on. For me, all of them are equally important and deserving of utmost dedication, that is devote. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിൽ ഏതായിരിക്കും കൂടുതൽ ഇഷ്ടം എന്നാണ് ചോദിക്കുന്നത്. സോ ദിസ് പേഴ്സൺ ഈസ് ടെല്ലിങ് എവ്രിതിങ് ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു മീ. എല്ലാം ഞാൻ ഒരേപോലെയാണ് കാണുന്നത്. റീഡ് ദിസ് ചാപ്റ്റർ വെൽ. സം മീനിങ്സ് are there. You have to copy it in your notebook, draw double line and write everything. Decade, a period of 10 years. Stiff, difficult. Conservation, preservation or protection. Intertwine, twist together. Dedication, devote. So read section 1 and 2 and understand the lesson well. Write all the answers which are given here. Number these events in the correct order. You have to write down. Next class I will take section 3. Thanks.